Hello, all of you. I hope my voice is audible. Let's continue our last topic. And today we will try to complete this chapter. Okay. And hopefully tomorrow we will start the three-dimensional geometry. Okay. And today's topic is very, very important because we need the help of this topic in the next chapter, that is three-dimensional geometry. Okay. So please don't leave any class and complete your homework. Okay. So today's topic is vector product. Vector product. And this is also called as cross product or cross product. Okay. So what is a vector or cross product? Let vector A and B be two non-zero vectors, non-zero vectors. Okay, and theta is the angle, and theta is the angle between A and B. Okay, such that the value of theta is between 0 and pi. Okay, theta is the angle between A and B such that the value of theta is between 0 and pi. Then the vector product of A and B is given by A cross B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta, and n cap, where n cap is a vector, where n cap is a unit vector, perpendicular to both A and B, such that vector A, B, n cap form a right-handed system. Right-handed system. Okay. So what is mean by this? Just give me a minute. Let me draw this. Suppose this is your vector A. This is your vector B. This is vector A. And this is vector B. And this is theta. Okay. Now, what is a cross product? Let this is a vector A, this is vector B, then the cross product here will be equal to A, magnitude of A, magnitude of B into sine theta into n cap, where n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, and it forms a right-handed system. Right-handed system means we are finding here A cross B. Okay, all of you please check here. We are finding A cross B. So if you will put your fingers in the direction of A and you will move towards B, okay, then this thumb will give you the direction of A cross B. Okay, so if you are putting the fingers in the direction of A, if you are moving towards B, then this thumb will give you the direction of A cross B, that is n cap. So n cap direction is, in this case it's outwards from the screen. Okay, and this will be perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so in this case the direction of n cap will be like this. This n cap will be perpendicular to both A and B, and its direction in this case is outwards from the screen. Okay, because we have put a finger in the direction of A, we are moving towards B, Okay, so this thumb will give the direction of n cap. So n cap in this case is outwards. It is perpendicular to both A and B. So please remember this, that what is n cap. You can get questions from this concept, from the concept of n cap. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone that n cap is perpendicular to both A and B, both the vectors A and B, and it is outwards from the screen. Okay, now everyone please let me know, suppose we have here vector C, okay, and here we have, this is vector D, this is D, this is C, okay, and if we are finding C cross D, if we are finding C cross D, then everyone please tell me what will be the direction of n cap. It will be
Sir, into
inwards. Good. Okay, because you will put your fingers in the direction of C, you will move towards D. So inwards, this thumb will give you the direction of n cap. So in this case, the direction will be inwards. Okay. In this case, the direction will be outwards. But in both the cases, here also, this n cap will be perpendicular to C as well as perpendicular to D. So you can get a question like this, that they will give you two vectors and they ask you to find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. So which vector is perpendicular to both A and B? In this case is n cap. So you will find the A cross B, and then you will find its unit vector. We will see such type of questions later on, but I hope this is clear to everyone, that how we can find the direction of n cap. Okay, so please note down this, raise your hands once it is done, then we will continue this topic. Okay. Everyone, please raise your hands if it is done. Atif, Zephyr, Saf, Nabil. Is it done? Shall we move to next? Is it done? Atif, Huzaifa, Saif, Nabil. Shall we start next? Okay. Atif, Huzaifa, Saif. Is it done? Okay, Nabil, good. Atif and Huzaifa. Okay, Huzaifa, good.
Done, sir.
Okay, okay. So I hope everyone has done this. Okay, so we will write some note. Okay. First is if A and B are collinear. If A and B are collinear. Okay, you know what are collinear vectors are collinear, then we have a two option, theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to pi. Okay, if A and B are collinear, then theta is equal to 0 degree or theta is equal to pi. Uh, then A cross B will be equal to, anyone can tell me what will be A cross B? Anyone can tell me if theta is 0 or pi, then what will be A cross B?
0.
Very, very good. It is 0. Good. Okay. Because we have a AB sine theta. Okay. So theta is 0. So complete will become 0. If A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0, then A cross B will also be equal to 0. Okay. Third point. A cross A. Anyone can tell me what's the value of A cross A?
1.
What's the angle between A and A?
0.
0.
So A cross A will be
0.
very, very good. It will be 0. Fourth point. Okay. Fourth point. I cap cross I cap. What will be the answer?
0.
Very good. Okay. Same vector. The angle between them is 0. So I cross I is 0. Similarly, J cross J is, this is also 0. Okay. Then K cap into K cap. This is also 0. So all these three are 0. Next is fifth one. Okay. For the fifth one, always remember this. Always remember this. It is I cap. It is J cap. It is K cap. Okay. Always remember like this, that I cross into J cross. Okay. Remember this circle. I cross into J cross, sorry, J cap is equal to K cap. Okay. If you're finding the cross product of I and J, you will get a K cap. If you're finding J, J cap into K cap, so you will get a I cap. If you're finding K into I cap, you will get a J cap. So if you are moving in this direction, everything will be fine. I cross J, K, J cross K, I, K cross I, J. Okay, like this. If you will move in opposite direction, everything will become negative. So that means if you're finding J cross I, you will get a minus K cap.
So then K cross I will be minus J cap, right, sir?
K cross I, no. We are moving in this direction anti-clockwise. So K cross I will be equal to J cap.
Yes, sir. I cross K will be minus J.
I cross K will be minus J, yes. So if you will do the opposite of this, K cap into J cap, you will get a minus I cap. Here, I cap into K cap, this will be equal to minus J cap. Okay. So please remember this circle. If you are going in a anti-clockwise direction, you will get this. If you will go in a clockwise direction, you need to put a negative sign. Okay, please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done. Then we will see a formula and start doing the questions. Okay, I will give you just 1 minute for this.
Done, sir.
Okay, Nabil, very good. Atif Huzaifa Saif, please confirm. Is it done? Okay, Atif, good.
Done,
Josefa,
sir.
good. Josefa, is it done? Josefa, is it done? Josefa, Josefa, I'm going to start next, okay? If you miss anything, please let me know. Next is vector product, vector product in terms of component, vector product in terms of components, terms of components. Okay, let vector A is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap. Vector B is equal to B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. Okay, so vector A cross B will be equal to what? So how we will find this? We will find like this. In the determinant, write I cap, j cap, k cap. Okay, here write the values A1, A2, A3. Here write the values B1, B2, B3. So you need to find the value of this determinant to find the cross product. So how you will find this? First, choose I cap. We will expand this along the first row. Select I cap. Then A2, B3 minus A3, B2. Then minus j cap. So for minus j cap, A3, B1, then minus A1, B3. Then plus k cap, A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Okay. So now you can solve this. You will put the value, you will get the answer in terms of I, J, and K. Okay. So everyone, please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done. Then we will start a question. Everyone, please raise your hands if it is done. Nabil, Atif, Huzafa, Saf, is it done? Nabil, Atif, okay, Saf, good. Nabil, Atif, is it done? Okay. Huzafa, Saf, okay, Saf, good. Huzafa, is it done? Okay, great, great. Now we will start some questions. Type 1. Type 1 is on finding the vector product. On finding the vector product, the vector product of given vectors. Of given vectors. Okay. So question 1 is find A cross B, find A cross B if vector A is equal to 2 I cap plus k cap and vector B is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Okay, you already know the formula. Now please find the cross product A cross B. I will give you 4 minutes for this. Okay, not more than that. Please complete it.
Sir, is it minus I minus j plus k?
Very good, Atif. It is correct. You have done this, I guess, in 1 minute. Minus I minus j plus 2k. Very good, Atif. Saf, Huzefa, Nabil, please confirm if you're getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, Nabil. Saf and Huzefa, are you getting the same one? Okay, Huzefa, very good. Saf, is it done?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay. Let me know, Saf, okay, once it is done. Then I will complete this question.
Sir,
Saf,
I'm getting 0.
you're getting 0. Okay, okay. Then give me a minute. I will solve this. Okay. Let me complete this question. 3j cap minus 2k cap cross product minus I cap plus 3k cap. Okay. So everyone please solve this question. In the meantime, I will solve question number 1. So question 1, Saf, the same. I already told this formula ijk. Write this 2, 0, 1. And what is B? B is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 I cap. Then 0 minus 1 minus j cap. 2 minus 1 plus k cap. K cap means 2 minus 0. So here you are getting minus I, 2 minus 1 minus j. Why you are getting zeros, Saf?
It's I took the units also, like J cap, I cap, and all.
Oh, okay. Now note down this F and start question. But
What is the answer for the second one? 6.
no, that's not correct. Not 6. It is under root 91. Okay, please check it. So I will write the answer here. Okay, for the second one, I will write the cross product. Okay. So I'm writing answer here. A is 9 I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. Okay. Now please write this.
Yes, I'm getting the same answer.
Okay, good. So Seth, what the magnitude you are getting? Please calculate the magnitude.
Yes, sir. Now I got root 91.
Okay, Atif, great. Everyone, please share the magnitude with me.
Yes, sir. 91 I'm getting. Under 91.
Very good, Nabil. Who is left? Huzefa and Seth. Please confirm the answer. Everyone, is it done? Huzefa, Seth. In the second bracket, is it I second bracket? This one. This is minus I cap, Huzefa. Minus I cap, and this is K cap. Okay, it is I cap. Please complete it.
So how should we? What's the formula for magnitude?
Okay. Always remember like this. Suppose you have a vector A which is A1 I cap, A2 J cap, A3 K cap. If you have to find the magnitude of a vector, then find the like this under root A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. Okay, please try this. Josefa, please again do the calculation. It should be 91 under root 91. Okay, Josefa, you must get this, and the final answer would be under root 91. Please confirm me.
Yes, I'm getting under root 91.
Okay, great. Josefa, is it done? Shall we move to next? Okay, great. Now next question number 3. This you have to do in homework, okay? Because we have to do some more complex question. I know it. You can solve this on your own. Find lambda and nu. Okay, if 2I cap plus 6J cap plus 27K cap into I cap plus lambda J cap plus nu K cap is equal to this. So you have to do this in the homework. Note down the answer. Answer lambda is 3. Okay, and nu is equal to 27/2. You just need to find the cross product and need to equate. Okay, please try this question number 4. If vector r is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, find the value of find the value of find the value of this one, r cross I cap dot r dot j cap is equal plus xy plus xy. Try this. And this question came in CBSE 2015. Okay, try this question.
There is 0.
Very good, Atif. It is correct. Everyone, please share your answer or let me know if you have a doubt. Everyone, I will give you 2 minutes, okay? Please complete it and share your answer.
Yeah, I got 0, sir.
Very good, Nabil. Good. Josefa and Saf, is it done?
No one made, sir.
Okay, okay. Josefa, is it done? Okay, great, Josefa. Oh, okay, okay.
Sir, how should we like solve a dot product?
Dot product. Okay, good, good. So dot product, we have already discussed in the last class. Okay, I guess you were not present. Please check you. So R is equal to xi cap plus y, whatever we have here. Okay. So we need this value. r cross I dot r cross j plus xy. Okay, so we will do in this way. R cross I, so we can write like this: xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, cross product I cap, then dot this xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, cross product with j cap plus xy. Okay, now check here. Now x I cap next is x I cap, cross product, this is I cap, plus y j cap, cross product I cap, plus z k cap, cross product I cap. Okay, then here we have dot product with this one, x I cap, cross product j cap, plus y j cap, cross product j cap, z k cap, cross product j cap plus xy. Now here I cap cross I is 0, you already know, this will become 0, plus ji. Okay, so remember that circle anti-clockwise, it is I, it is j, it is k. Okay, so j cross I, so j cross I means opposite, so you will get a minus k cap. So here you will get y into minus k cap, so I will write here minus, okay, and j cross I will give you k, so y k cap plus k cap dot I, so k cross I will give you j, so z j cap dot product ij will give you k cap, so x k cap plus j cross a will give you 0, k dot j, sorry, k cross j, so opposite minus I, minus z I cap plus xy. Now dot product is what? I dot j is 0, I dot j is equal to 0, I dot I is equal to 1. Okay, so here now we will do minus yk and this one. So what we will get here? Minus y k cap into this x k cap. So y into x, then k dot k. Okay, then minus plus yz, then k dot I, then zx plus z into x. So zx j cap dot k cap, then minus z square j dot I, j dot I. Okay, now here we have minus yx. So k dot k will give you 1, so minus yx. Then this will be 0, k dot I, j dot k, this will be 0. So 0, 0, 0 plus 0. Then you have here minus z square, it will also be 0. So minus 0. Okay, and here we have a xy plus xy. So write xy here. This will give you 0. Is it clear, Seth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So Seth, let me know if we can start the next question. Done, Seth?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, great. Next. We will start the next type 2. Okay. Here you need to find on finding a unit vector, or a vector of given magnitude and perpendicular to two vectors. Okay, so I hope now you know what type of question we will get here. So please try this question first. Question first is find a unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors, this one I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap and I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. This question came in CBSE 2020. Okay, please try this question and share your answer. Let me know if anyone have a doubt. Okay.
Sir, will it be minus I by root 3 plus j by root 3 plus k by root 3?
It is, just give me a minute. It is minus I j k by root 3. Very, very good, Atif. It is correct. Very good. If anyone else has done this, please share your answer. Or if anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Okay, so that I can explain this to you.
And so I'm getting as minus 4i plus 4j plus 4k.
That's not correct. All of you, please check here who have a doubt in this question. Find a unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors this and this. Okay, so we have already discussed that suppose we have a two vectors A and B. Let this be A and this is B. Okay, and if you will find the cross product, then it will give you what? Magnitude A, magnitude of B sine theta into n cap. What is n cap here, Seth?
Sir, is it minus 4 I cap plus 4 J cap plus 4 K cap?
No, that's not correct. Okay, you need to find the unit vector. Okay, so first of all, please tell me what is this n cap, Seth?
It is the perpendicular between
Yes,
A and B.
it is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, it is a unit vector, not a vector. It's a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. So this will be outwards and this will be perpendicular to both with A also and with B also. This is n cap. Okay, so you have a two vectors. If you will find the cross product of this, let A is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. And you have this B is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. If you will find A cross B, okay, A cross B, if you will find it, suppose C is A cross B. You're finding A cross B and let that be equal to C. So that means if you're finding A cross B, you will get a vector C which is perpendicular to both A and B. Is it clear? If you are finding A cross B and you are getting a vector C, then C will be perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, what is the resultant of A cross B? A cross B resultant is AB sine theta n cap. So that means when you are finding the cross product, you are getting a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, now if you find out the cross product, then whatever the answer you are getting, that vector is perpendicular to both A and B, but that is not a unit vector. How you will find the unit vector? Seth? If you find out the cross product, then you get a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. That's fine. But you need a unit vector. How you'll find a unit vector? Seth? Seth, how I will find a unit vector for this vector C? This we have discussed in the first class. Nabil, how we will find the unit vector for this vector?
So, if its components are AI cap plus BJ cap plus CK cap,
We will
then
divide its magnitude.
yes, sir.
Okay. So if you find this unit, this A cross B, whatever the answer you're getting, then divide that with its magnitude so that you will get a unit vector. Is it clear? Saf, Nabil, Huzefa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Huzefa, please complete this and share your answer.
Sir, is it minus 1 by under root 3 I cap plus 1 by under root 3 J cap plus 1 by under root 3 K cap?
Yes, final answer is this 1 by root 3
Yes, sir.
minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Great, great. So, Huzefa and Saf, are you getting this?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, I'm getting the same answer.
Good, Saf. Who is left now? Josefa? Is it done? Josefa, shall we start next? Josefa, is it done? Josefa, I'm starting a next question. Please let me know if you have any doubt in the last one. Okay, and confirm me once you solve that question. Find a vector of magnitude 9, which is which is which is perpendicular to both the vectors, which is perpendicular to both the vectors 4I cap minus j cap plus k plus 3k cap. Okay, plus 3k cap and minus 2I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, please try this. Everyone, please let me know if you need a hint in this question. Okay.
Is it minus 1 by 9 I cap plus 2 by 9 j cap plus 1 by 3 k cap?
No, that's not correct. The final answer is this minus 3I cap plus 6j cap plus 6k cap. Okay, please try check this. Uh, Anyone need a hint in this question? Nabil, Zephyr, Sef? Or can you solve this on your own? Zephyr, Sef, Nabil? Josefa, Nabil, and Saf. Do you need a hint in this question?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Now please check here. You need to find a vector whose magnitude is 9, which is perpendicular to both these vectors. Okay. You already know how to find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both these. Okay. Nabil, what is the magnitude of a unit vector?
1.
1. You need a magnitude of 9. What you will do? Suppose if I will give you a vector, suppose C cap, I'm saying that its magnitude is 1. Its magnitude is 1. You need a magnitude of 9. What you will do? If you will multiply this vector with 9, then what will the magnitude of this will be?
9.
9. Okay. So what you have to do in the last question, you have find out the unit vector. So please again find out the unit vector, then find the, and then multiply that with 9. Find a unit vector, then multiply that with 9. You will get this answer. Okay, Nabil, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Huzaifa and Saf, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then please complete this and share your answer. Okay. Okay, Huzaifa, then please complete it and share your answer. Okay.
Yes, I'm getting the answer.
Very good, Saf. Nabil and Huzaifa, please confirm so that we can start the next. Okay, Huzaifa, great. Nabil, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great. Now, next question. It's a very, very good question. Let vector A is equal to I cap minus j cap. B is equal to 3j cap minus k cap, and C is equal to 7i cap minus k cap. Find a vector. Find a vector D which is find a vector D which is perpendicular to both A and B. To both A and B. And C dot D is equal to 1. Okay, this is from NCRT. It's a very good question. Please try this. Let me know if anyone need a hint in this. If anyone need a hint, please let me know. Anyone need a hint? Atif, Zifar, Saf, Nabil. Okay, I will give you 5 more minutes. Please complete it in 5 minutes. Okay, because we need to complete this chapter today. 2 topics still are left. Nabil, Huzaifar, Saf, Atif, do you need a hint?
Sir, I'm getting unit vector as under root 14.
Under root 14, you need to find a vector. So what's the final answer?
So we need to find a unit vector that is perpendicular to A and B, right?
Not exactly a unit vector. You need to find a vector, okay, which is perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, so definitely so we can't say which type of vector is that, but that is perpendicular to both A and B. So your approach is correct, Adif. First, you will find the unit vector. No, even there's no need to find the unit vector. Everyone, please check here. A, B, and C is given. You need to find a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, so if you will find A cross B, okay, and I will say let C is equal to vector C is equal to A cross B, then this vector C is perpendicular to both A and B. Is it clear, Atif?
Yes,
Atif?
sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
this vector C will be perpendicular to both A and B. We know by the property of cross product, but we can't say that this is a vector D. C is a vector D, we can't say this. So C is a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B, and we are saying that D is also perpendicular to both A and B. So let this be A, this be B. Okay, and we have find out a vector C, which is perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, let this be vector C, which is perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, now, now this direction of C is outside the screen. Okay, now suppose if I'm drawing a vector which is also perpendicular to A and B, but its direction is inwards. So, or there's one more vector D which is not equal to C, but it is also perpendicular to A and B. So can we say that C and D are collinear vectors? Let C is equal to this, then C and D are collinear vector. This is clear to everyone or not? Because I need this concept in 3D. Clear, Nabil? Why these two are collinear vector? Nabil?
So,
Okay, Atif, is it clear why they both are collinear vector?
Yes.
Okay, Huzafa, Saf, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Huzafa, is it clear why they are collinear vector? Okay, because C is also perpendicular to AB, D is also perpendicular. So that means C and D are collinear vector. Then now who can tell me if two vectors are collinear, then what is the condition we have? Okay, so
Theta is 0 or pi.
yes, theta is 0 pi, and we can say so D is equal to lambda times of C, or C is equal to lambda times of D. Always remember, if two vectors are collinear, then then the vector will be the lambda times of other vector. Always remember this condition. This is for collinear vector. If two vectors are collinear, suppose this is a first vector D, and suppose next vector C is this. If these two are collinear, then D will be lambda times of C, or C will be lambda times of B. This is the condition for collinearity. Okay. Now what you can do, you can find the vector C from here by finding the cross product. Then you can put this D is equal to lambda times of C. Then you can put this formula C dot D is okay, the C is already given here, so we will not use C here. Okay, we will take some other, let this be H. Vector H is equal to this. Then vector H and D are collinear. Then D is equal to lambda times of H. Atif, is it clear? Atif, is it clear? Nabil?
Yes.
yes,
Nabil?
sir.
Okay. Saf, Huzafa, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Huzafa? Nabil, I think you have a doubt here. Nabil, do you have
Yes,
a doubt
sir.
here? Yes. Please tell me. What's the doubt you have? Nabil, your voice
Sir,
is not
after
good.
finding collinear vector, then we should do it, sir.
Okay, so first you will find the cross product. Then you will say that H and D are collinear vector, okay, because both are perpendicular to A and B. Then you will write D is equal to lambda times of H. If two vectors are collinear, you can always write D is a scalar, any scalar value. H value you already have, you will multiply with that with lambda. Then you will use this relation. From this relation, you will get the value of lambda. Okay. So Nabil, please start this question. I will help you if you will get it stuck, but I'm sure you can solve this question now. Everyone, please complete this. Okay, Josefa. Okay.
Dot product means we have to take
What A cross B you are getting, Nabil?
so A cross B. I'm getting I cap plus J cap plus 3K cap.
Okay, so I'm not sure Nabil it is correct or not. Okay, but I trust you. Now you get this. So let h is equal to this one. So h we get this value. I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. Okay. Then this you will write the statement and you will write lambda times of h. So that means lambda into I plus j plus 3. So multiply this with lambda. So you will get what? Lambda I, lambda j, 3 lambda k. Okay. Now c dot d. C dot d is equal to 1. So C, what is c? C is 7i minus k. 7i minus k cap. Dot product d. D is lambda I plus lambda j plus 3 lambda k. Okay, so just find the dot. You know how to find the dot product? Wherever you have I dot I, write 1. And if you have I dot j, j dot a, j dot k, anything, then write 0. Okay, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
So if it is k dot k, it is 0 or 1.
No, k dot k is 1. K dot k, I dot I, and j dot j. All three are 1. Okay, if you're finding I with j or k, then you will get a 0.
I'm getting 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap.
What? The value of?
Vector d.
Vector. Okay, you have find out the final answer.
Yes,
What the value of lambda you are getting?
2.
No, it should be 1 by 4. A cross B, you are getting this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. But the value of lambda should be 1 by 4. Okay, please check it. If anyone get the answer, please let me know. Okay. Atif, Nabil, and Saf, please confirm what the value of lambda you are getting.
Sir, I'm getting lambda is 4 by 7.
4 by 7. No, it should be 1 by 4. You're doing some mistake. Just find this 7 here, what you're getting. It is equal to 1. So 7 into lambda, 7 lambda. Then you have k 3 lambda. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 lambda is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to 1 by 4. Nabil, again, please check the calculation. It's just straightforward.
Sir, dot product of c vector and d vector, I'm getting 7 minus 3 lambda.
C and D 7. Why? Check here. 7 with this one.
Sir,
7
lambda is 1 by 4.
1 by 4. Good. Now put the value of lambda here. Okay. And here. Okay. And find out the value of D, Nabil. Whoever 7 lambda, 7 into this lambda is 7 lambda. K into K is minus 3 lambda. So 7 minus 3 is 4 lambda. 4 lambda is equal to 1. Why you are
Yes,
doing
sir,
this?
now I'm getting lambda equals 1 by 4.
Very good. Now put the value of lambda here and show your answer. Atif, is it done?
Sir, 1 by 4
Yes,
I
sir. I
cap.
also got lambda equals 1 by 4.
Sir,
Great.
1 by 4 I cap plus 1 by 4 j cap plus 3 by 4 k cap.
Very, very good, Nabil. It is correct. Atif and Saif, please confirm your answers so that we can start the next topic. Today we will complete this.
1 by 4 I cap plus 1 by 4 j cap plus 3 by 4 k cap.
Very good, Atif. Correct. Saif, please
Yes, sir.
confirm.
I by 4. I Yes, I cap by 4 plus j cap by 4 plus 3 k cap by 4.
Very, very good. Okay. Now we will start our next type, that is area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. Okay. So let this be vector A, this be vector B. It is A, B, C, D. Okay. And the area between the angle between vector A and B is theta. We need to find the area of this parallelogram A, B, C, D. So if two vectors are given and you need to find out the areas, so please check the formula. What we will do, we will here join these two, BD. Okay, it's a parallelogram. So this triangle and the next triangle are equal. Congruent. Okay, so this one and this one are congruent. So what we will do, we will find out the area of one triangle and we'll multiply with that too. Now, here, what we will do, here we will draw a perpendicular. Okay, let this be a perpendicular. Let this be M. Now in triangle, in triangle DAM, okay, sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is what? DM by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse here is this one, AD. So DM is equal to what? AD into sine theta. So DM is equal to what? What is AD? AD is vector B magnitude into sine theta. So that means this DM we get this magnitude of B sine theta. Okay. Now what's the area of a triangle? The area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay. Now area of triangle, this one, ABD. We are talking about this ABD, area of triangle is half into base, half into base into height, Okay. So it is equal to 1 by 2 into base is what? Vector A into height is what? DM. So this means it is what? 1 by 2 magnitude of A, and what is DM? Magnitude of B, and it is what? Sine theta. Okay. Now, what is area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram, this complete A, B, C, D. So can we say that it is twice of area of triangle, this ABD. Okay. This complete parallelogram is area of this complete parallelogram is twice of this triangle because these two area are equal. So it is equal to 2 into area of triangle ABD. So that means 1 by 2 magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta. So this 2 will get cancelled out. You get what? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta. Okay. So we know that there is no unit vector. So that means it is a magnitude of cross product. Okay. AB sine theta, we know it is what? It's a magnitude of a cross product. Okay. So if two vectors are given, you need to find the area of a parallelogram. If its adjacent sides are given, then how can you find the area of parallelogram? By finding the cross product and then find its magnitude. Okay. So we have find out here two formulas you need to remember. Okay. Or I will give you separately another formula. Area of triangle. So if you have two vectors, then area of triangle you can find like this, 1 by 2. Okay, it's the area of parallelogram. So divide that with 2, you will get the area of triangle, or you can do from here. AB sine theta means what? 1 by 2 magnitude of cross product. So we can use these two formulas. So remember, area of triangle is half magnitude of cross product, and this is the area of parallelogram. If anyone have a doubt, let me know. Otherwise, note down this, confirm me. I will give you one more question.
So this is the last topic.
Area of parallelogram, we have done triangle. We need to do for chord also, quadrilateral, then it's complete. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everyone, we have only 18 minutes. Okay. So please note down this and confirm me. We need to solve some questions also. Okay. We have to do 2 questions and 1 more formula. Then this chapter is complete. Everyone, please confirm me. Okay. Once it is time.
Done, sir.
Okay, sir. Good. Atif, Huzefa, Nabil, is it done? Atif, Huzefa, Nabil.
Done.
Okay, good. Okay, Huzefa, good. So I hope everyone has done this. Now please try this question. Question is, find the area of the parallelogram. Find the area of the parallelogram. Determined by the vector. Determined by the vectors I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, please find out the area.
Sir, is it 8 root 3?
Very good, Nabil. It is correct. Atif, Huzefa, Saf, please confirm. 8 root 3 square units. Good, Nabil.
What is it? 8 root 3.
Very good, Atif. Huzefa and Saf, please confirm the answer.
Yes, I'm getting 8 root 3 square
Very
units.
good. Very good. Huzefa, is it done? Huzefa, is it done? Huzefa, I will give you 2 more minutes. Okay. Please complete. Huzefa, is it done? Please confirm, Huzefa. Huzefa, I'm going to start next, okay? Because we have only 10 minutes. Please let me know if you have any problem in the last question. Next topic is area of a parallelogram when its diagonals are given. When its diagonals are given. Diagonals are given. Are given. Okay. So let me draw a parallelogram. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And we will draw the diagonals. We have this BD diagonal and we have this AC diagonal. Okay, so then the vectors will be given. They will give you a vector A here. They will give you a vector B here. Okay, when the diagonal will given, then what will be the area? Then area of parallelogram will be equal to 1 by 2 cross product of diagonals AC diagonals BD. Okay, if the diagonals are given, then you will find the area like this 1 by 2 A cross B. Please remember this. If the diagonals are given, then the area will be 1 by 2 magnitude cross product. Okay, now we have one more formula. Then we have area of okay, please note down this. Okay, after that we will start the area of quadrilateral. I will just give you 1 minute. Okay, please note down this and raise your hands. Then we will start area of quadrilateral. Okay, Atif, good. Nabil, Huzaifa, Saf, please confirm. Nabil, Huzaifa, and Saf, please confirm. Is it done?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Huzaifa. Okay, good, good. So everyone has done this. Next is area of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral. Okay. Till now we were doing the parallelogram. Now we will check the area of quadrilateral. So in this case, they will give you the diagonals. Okay. So for example, if you have this quadrilateral, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, and they will give you the diagonal here. Okay. AC, they will give you BD, A and B. If you need to find out the area of a quadrilateral, and this will be equal to 1 by 2 AC cross product BD. Okay, 1 by 2 magnitude of AC cross BD. So it is 1 by 2 magnitude. AC means A, cross product, this is B. So if you have to find the area of a quadrilateral, they will give you the diagonal, and you have the same formula as that of parallelogram. Okay, so please note down this, and I will give you a question. Complete that, then okay, and properties are also left. So the question you have to do in the homework. Note down this, confirm me, note down the homework, then we will do the properties. Then this chapter is complete and we will start the 3D tomorrow. Show that area of a parallelogram, area of parallelogram having diagonals, having diagonals 3 I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, and next is this one, I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. 4k cap is 5 root 3 square units. 5 root 3 square units. Okay, this question came in CBSE 2008. CBSE 2008. Note down this question. Raise your hands. Note down, okay? And then we will start the property. This question you have to do in the homework. Okay, Nabil, very good. Atif, Uzef, and Saf, please confirm. Then we have to do the properties. It will just take 1 minute, okay? Then this chapter is complete. Is it done? And you also need to note down this formula, area of parallelogram. Okay, this we have already done. Okay, note down this, confirm. Atif, Josefa, and Saf, shall we start next?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, Josefa and Saf, is it done? Josefa and Saf, is it done? Shall we start next? Okay, okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, great, great. Now properties. Okay, properties of cross product. So the first property is commutative. Okay, so I will say it is not commutative. Not commutative. So that means A cross B generally is not equal to B cross A. A cross B is generally not equal to B cross A. Okay, why? Check here. So if you have this A, this is B. If you're finding A cross B, then the thumb direction is outward. If you're finding B cross A, then thumb direction is inward. Okay, so that means the direction is different. A cross B and B cross A direction is different. That's why we will say it is not commutative. So I will write like this: A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A. I hope everyone understood this. By putting a negative, I am changing the direction. So A cross B having the direction here, B cross A having the direction inside. So that means the direction is opposite. That's why I'm putting a negative sign here. Second property is, suppose you have a vector A, it is getting multiplied with M. M is any scalar quantity. So you can shift this M to anywhere. You can shift this with B. And you can also write like this, ME cross B. It's your wish, you can write anywhere. Third one. Third is distributive law. Distributive law. Distributive law. Okay, so distributive law means A cross B plus C is equal to A cross B plus A cross C. Okay, these were the three properties which you have to do. Now our chapter is complete. Only 3 chapters now is left: 3D, LPP, and probability. Okay, for LPP, I just need 2 classes. Saturday, Sunday, we can do that at any time. 3D will take time, so my target is this month we will try to complete 3D and LPP. Okay, and next month, January, we will try to complete the probability. So till January, your syllabus will be complete. Okay. Now please note down this and note down the homework. Homework is the rest of the assignments. That is assignment 4th and 5th. 5th I have shared last week also. Assignment 5th. Please complete these assignments and share with me the status. Okay. Okay then.